You also have the option to click more, take any notes that you want. So let's say this window located in a corner. And you also have this new feature which we just added, AI visual feature. So you can click on it. You can simply take a picture and attach, or a file and attach, or take a picture and scribble on it and attach, or use the AI and touch that. That'll trigger the camera in your window. You can say empty window for an example, and say you can type any descriptions as well if you want to further tweak it. If not, just simply say generate. That'll identify the product that you have created. Okay, that's updating the new version because Gemini have updated. So this is something you might have to coordinate with us back and forth to obtain that, because these are new features, and ChatGPT and Google and all keep on updating their versions. Every time they do that, we have to update that. So we'll avoid that explanation for now.